Hi, I'm Evis, owner and founder of Anew, and I'm here to talk to you about hair restoration. I started in the industry 30 years ago as a hairstylist. Soon after that, I decided it was time for me to move my career to a different level, and I became an instructor for the state of Florida. In 1992, Hurricane Andrew destroyed the school that I was working for, forcing me to look into other aspects of my career, and that's how I came across the hair replacement industry. During this time, I became technical trainer for the biggest hair replacement company in the United States, and I was there for 20 years. I became fascinated with the creative part of hair replacement. Not only was I working with hair, but I was also creating hair where there was no hair to begin with, making a change for these people's lives. In 2011, with all the experience gained and the intention of creating something different, I took my profession to a different level and founded Anew Hair Restoration Center. Here at Anew, we offer the latest techniques out in the market, giving our clients choices. We begin by identifying the root of the problem using an in-depth scalp analysis, and based on the results, we recommend the best course of treatment. In addition, we have an organic line of products that we have the exclusive here in the Miami area. We want to make sure that our clients not only look good, but also have an experience that adds to their well-being without any side effects. And if there's something I want you to take from my message, is that here at Anew, when you come in as a client, you become family. Because with us, it's not about the before and after, it's about the forever.